let's get started. So for your domain and WordPress registration, WordPress hosting registration, okay, I would advise you use namecheap.com. Also, I'm going to, I said I'm going to leave some of these links in the comment section. So just jumping off from the idea that people want to relocate to Canada, you want to search for your domain. You just type into your browser namecheap.com. Once you're there, you come straight to this search domain name section, and then you click on it. So me, I'm going to register my own domain now called Jakba to Canada. All right, and then I'll hit search to try to see if it's available. Okay. Okay, great. Jakba to Canada .com is available. It will cost about $9, but I don't want to use that one since it's just a training. So I'm going to use Jakba to Canada.xyz. It costs just $1. It renews, of course, at probably $11 from the next year. So I'll add this to cart. Okay. And the moment I added that to cart, it showed me some other options. This is where you get your WordPress hosting from. This is the managed WordPress hosting. This is the one I advise you to use. I know about the web hosting here. This one, not so good in my opinion, but these ones are quite okay. When you click on it, it will show you 3 different options. You could pay yearly, but you could try using the monthly plan. Okay, and if you use this monthly plan, this one is it renews at $4 every month. This one renews at maybe almost $8 every month. I would advise you use this one. But if you are considering your budget so much, you can use this one and then come here because this one doesn't have, and then buy an SSL package separately. But this one comes with free SSL, which is important for your website. So if you're taking this one, you would need to buy SSL at I think around $3 or $4 for your website. Now take note, with WordPress hosting, you can actually host just one website on that hosting plan. Okay. So you could click this to add it. All right. So it has added that to cart for me. And then the plan doesn't come with emails. If you use this web hosting plan, you get emails, that's branded emails free. But the branded emails they provide are not so good. I mean, they are not the professional branded emails. They are the webmail kind of branded emails. The people could hack you easily and spy into your personal information or customer information, customer secrets they'll share with you via email. And you don't want that to happen. So I would always advise you buy a professional email. It's usually cheap. This one costs just $9.5 per year, but I think they give you 2 months free somehow when you take the offer. So for 2 months, you're not going to be paying that $9 per year. $9 per year is actually very affordable. Now, don't feel, oh, this I want to use cheap ones. There's this hosting I know that is cheap. I advise you not to use cheap hosting because you'll be frustrated when you start spending money running ads and then your website is offline. Nobody is seeing your sales page. You're going to run into problems. I would give you some of the hosting I recommend. Maybe I've used in the past, and I can tell you they are quite okay. I would add that to the resources I'll be giving to you, so you can just easily pick anyone that fits into your budget. So with all the things I've selected right now, I have selected a domain name called Canada.xyz, and that's the domain name here. And then I've selected Easy WordPress, which is the WordPress hosting, 1 month subscription for $2. And then I added email, which is one email for Canada.xyz, and they're giving me 2 months free. So that means at the end of 2 months, they will ask me to pay just $10. I believe by that time you should be making probably $5,000 to $10,000 if you implement what I'm teaching you. And if you're making $5,000 to $10,000, I don't think paying $3 should be a problem for you, or paying even $100 a month. It shouldn't be a problem for you to use quality stuff and stuff that won't give you headaches. So you'll just continue to check out. Once you are at the checkout, you will be given a second chance to review all the things you selected. Then you can click confirm order. Now on this page, you have two options. One is to log into your account. If you already have a Namecheap account, you could log in here. And then if you don't have one, you will need to fill in this information and click create account and continue. But since I do have, as a matter of fact, I'm just going to enter my detail. I hope I got my password right. Ooh, what is my password? Okay. Luckily, Google is a savior. I use just too many passwords for security for security reasons. Okay, so you'll be asked to pay. I use PayPal as my payment method. You can use credit card, ATM cards that can make dollar payments. You can use it to make your payment. So it will cost me $3.18. Okay, please approve the terms of agreement. Okay, that's this one here. And so you click checkout with PayPal. As if you're using PayPal, if you're using credit card, the options you see there might actually look different. Okay, so for me, I'll log into my PayPal account. And then I'll pick one of my cards, and then I'll click continue. Okay, so boom, payment authorized, order confirmed. We just wait for it to load out. So by this time, you'll be getting some emails in your email box. All right. Okay. So I would immediately come to manage. Easy WordPress manage. Then you click on it. So what you've just done right now, you have bought a domain name and you have registered for a WordPress hosting account. Let me see what next we have on that list. Okay, we have activating SSL. So basically it's loading. I don't know why this is slow. Okay. Okay, so we've not installed WordPress, so we just click on set up WordPress. The website name is okay, XYZ. Okay, you can pick any of these if you want, or maybe let's just pick one and then. Okay, I'm looking for Jackpot to Canada. This is it. All right. Okay, so you select the domain name you just registered from the list here, and then you click continue. But however, if you you can purchase just this easy WordPress, the hosting, and choose not to have a domain name and just use something here, right? Just use something, I don't know, anything you want. You could use Jackpot to Canada. and just actually continue. But since we already bought the domain, we could just look for it out of the list and then click continue. Okay, so get more out of your WordPress. You're asked to pick a few plugins. You don't want this one, it's not really necessary, but if you want, you can use it, but it's not really necessary. You don't even need Yoast SEO. The only thing you might need is WooCommerce. And I won't even, there's no need to do it here if you don't want to. I think I chose to set it up somewhere at another place. So you could just click continue. So your website will be live at jackpatocanada.xyz, right? So I'll click continue. So don't forget, for everything I've spent so far is probably $4. Let me do the math so we'll see what it actually looks like. So we've spent just 1,560 Naira. So jackpatocanada.com is live, which is awesome. Okay, so once you click on it, maybe I should go back, but you can manage SSL certificate. Let me go back so you see what I clicked on. You click on it like this here. It shows you your available storage. You have up to 50 gig. It shows your WordPress version. Shows the title of that particular website, the domain name. You can easily change it here. So if you had used that free domain option you saw the other time, and then you want to change it to your branded domain, your top level domain, you can easily come here and click change, right? But we don't want to do that. So you can see the status, it is online. You can take it offline if you want. And then this is content delivery network, which is automatically set up for you to ensure your site is fast. So this particular WordPress hosting solutions, they are usually 2 to 3 times faster than the regular WordPress site. And when it comes to conversions, when you're selling info product, the page load speed, how fast your website loads, is actually very important. So that's why I recommended you use this. It's not only cheap and easy to just manage, it is also very fast. And people try to hack WordPress sites a lot, but if you use this WordPress hosting, managed hosting, you would not easily experience those kind of difficulties. So we want to activate the SSL. So just quickly click SSL, and then you can see this place here is showing inactive, and you have the option to add. Okay, so you click free positive SSL, then you click change. Oh, something looks wrong there. Okay, I wouldn't know why. Okay, maybe during the Q&A, we'll sort this out.